Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to set a custom theme in Messenger using your own picture. Now let's get started.
Before we jump in, just a quick heads up. This feature is only available in the latest version of Messenger and it's still rolling out, so you might not see it right away. But hey, there are a couple of things you can try. First, press and hold the Messenger app icon. Then tap on the little eye icon to open app info. From here, go to storage. Now tap clear cache and confirm it. Next, tap clear all data, but keep in mind this will log you out, so you'll need to sign in again. Now, open your Play Store or App Store. Now go to the search section and search for Messenger. If you see an update button, go ahead and update the app. But if it says open, then you are either already updated or the feature hasn't reached your region just yet. Now let's check inside the app. Open Messenger, go into any chat you like. In the top right corner, tap the I button, then tap on theme. Now, if you have the update, you should see an option to upload your own photo. If you don't see it yet, don't worry, just give it a little time. Updates like this usually roll out gradually. But if you do see it, tap on that option. Now choose a photo from your gallery. Now adjust the area you want to show in your chat background. Once you're happy with it, tap save. You'll get a quick preview, and if everything looks good, just tap select. And there you go. Your chat now has a completely custom theme using your own picture. Pretty cool, right? And that's how you can set a custom theme in Messenger.